Namaste, welcome to my channel. My name is Kassandra and I'm going to take you through this 15-minute bedtime yin yoga practice. This is a wonderful full body stretch, really getting into hips and hamstrings. I'm not using any props. If you have them at home, you can always grab them, but shouldn't really be necessary. So we're going to hold each pose for about 2 minutes or so. And this is day 22 of the evening yoga movement. If you are new and would like to sign up for this free 30-day challenge, I would love to have you join us. You can just click that first link down below in the description box. You can also watch the day 0 video. So we are going to begin our practice with a half butterfly fold. Staying up, sitting nice and tall, you can extend your right leg out to the side, keeping that left foot towards the inner thigh. And some people, I'll leave it up to you at home what you prefer to do. One option is to fold directly to the center. That's a great option. Or you can move a little bit facing towards your right shin and right toes and fold in this way. So whichever one you prefer to do at home. Because this is a yin yoga practice and especially a bedtime yoga practice, we are really not working to tense up our muscles or to exert ourselves in any way. And it might be nice for you to let gravity pull you down into the pose, letting your head dangle. Or another option is to prop yourself up either with some blocks at home or just what I like to do, which is supporting my forehead with my hands. So take your first few breaths to explore the pose and find the option that feels the nicest to you tonight. And once you're in there, we'll repeat this evening's affirmation, which is, I am grounded and centered. I am grounded and centered. And just stay with your breath, internally repeating this mantra, relaxing into the pose a little more with every exhale. Let's come out of the forward fold really mindfully. Keep breathing as you push your hands into the floor. Inhaling to come up. We'll make our way to the other side. So bring that right foot in. Extend your left leg out. So whichever option you did on the first side, try to find it again here. So either folding directly forward to the center or rotating a little so you're facing more towards your left leg and left shin. Walk the hands out and melt into it, maybe with head support or without. I am grounded and centered, letting go of your day and tuning into your body. Just slowing everything down. Let's come on out. Again, breathing in to support yourself as you lift on up. We're going to do the rest of our poses lying down on our backs. So bring your legs in and slowly come down, setting ourselves up for reclined butterfly pose. So laying flat, soles of your feet come together, knees fall apart, and you might choose to keep your hands on your belly, or if it feels nice, you can always reach your arms up overhead to invite a gentle stretch through your shoulders and upper back. 2 minutes right here in this pose. If at any time it feels like too much for your hips, you can just have your feet flat on the floor with your knees bent. If your arms were extended up overhead, slide them back down. And you might want to use your hands to lift your knees up through to center. And just take a breath or two, widening your feet and letting your knees and thighs fall in towards one another. Nice little counter pose here. And to finish off, we'll come into cat pulling its tail. That's the option, but I'll give you lots of modifications because cat pulling its tail is a very intense yin yoga pose and it requires a good amount of flexibility. So we'll do it in stages and you can leave out whatever you'd like. Start by straightening your left leg to the mat and pulling your right knee into your belly. Option 1 is to just take a twist. A right knee crosses over to the left and you can reach your right arm out to the side. Maybe just hold here. Option 2 is to straighten your right leg and slide your left hand further down towards your calf. So already intensifying the pose. And option 3 for cat pulling its tail is to bend your left knee and catch a hold of your left foot with your right hand. And you're still trying to encourage your right shoulder to push down into the floor. So it's like I'm trying to pull both knees in opposite directions. Definitely an intense pose. Leave out whatever doesn't work for you. And we'll be here for 2 minutes. So we went into this pose in stages. We'll come out of it in stages as well. First, release the hold of your foot with your right hand. And then you can let go and bring that right leg back through to center. And just straighten your right leg to the floor. Give yourself a breath or so here with the legs out in front of you, feeling the effects of that pose. And whenever you're ready, we'll go do that same thing on the other side. This time you're drawing your left knee to your chest. You're crossing your left thigh over your body to the right and expanding out with your left arm. This is option 1. Option 2, straighten your left leg and start to slide your hand further down towards your calf. Option 3, you're adding the quad stretch, bending into your right knee, holding onto your right foot with your left hand and encouraging your left shoulder blade to be down on the mat. So big pulls in opposite directions. I am grounded and centered. Stay with slow, steady breaths in and out through your nose. If you had that quad stretch, let that go first. Release the left leg, come back through to center, and just straighten both legs out in front of you. Maybe reach your arms up overhead. Big pull in opposite directions here. Lengthening out. And we'll turn to one side. Press your hands into the floor. Come on up. Taking a seat. Join your hands together at your heart. Grounding in, centering yourself. And we'll close with the chant of Om. Breathe in to chant. Inhale. Namaste. Thank you so much, everyone, for doing day 22, our bedtime yin yoga practice. Do leave me a comment below. Let me know how this went for you. You can use the hashtag good evening, and I will see you again tomorrow night. I would love for you to just take 5 minutes and do this affirmation meditation. Please do subscribe to my channel to support free yoga on the internet. You can do so just by clicking the subscribe button right here. Thank you so much, and I will see you tomorrow.